Hey, you can find me on the back roads, windows tinted, radio blaring, blowing smoke out the ceiling on the back roads. Ain't no other feeling. Headed to a balance, about to pick me up some women on the back roads. Jacked up suspension, mud tires big, drop the boat, let's go fishing on the back roads. Country boy living, sugar cane fields, make a living on some drilling.
Every time we turn, somebody don't make the turn.
Yeah, that's why I saw it. I knew we were going to wait.
Right.
How's it going?
Pretty good, you?
Pretty good. I watched all your videos.
Appreciate it, man. Hell yeah.
And the other guy.
Swamp ass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I watched all y'all's videos.
Appreciate it, man. Hell yeah. Y'all find anything good this way?
We just came off that water trail right there.
Yeah, the swamp trail?
Yeah. We just came off the end. That's it.
Is it pretty deep?
It was about right here on mine. Hey, not
Deep enough.
Deep enough.
That's right.
Alright, well.
Appreciate the
I'll see
support,
you.
brother. Good old Sabine. Finally got to get out a little bit. That quarantine was killing me. I'm a social butterfly. I gotta be social. That shit thick. Oh. I ain't getting that Croc back. That son of a bitch is gone. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna need some help getting up too. Huh? Oh yeah.
You want me to hook it to your winch room?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looked kind of soft.
Yeah.
you grab my Croc? I think I pulled something in my back. Down there.
Oh, goddamn.
I know I pulled something in my back.
It's all the way down there?
It's down there. I mean, down there. Fishing for a shoe.
Yeah, I see that. It might be too far gone for my little arm.
Think you can reach it? I pulled something in my back just now. Otherwise, I would reach for it.
Oh, shit. Yeah,
It's
I think
too
I can
deep.
get it.
It's down in that hole. I lost my Croc and I pulled the muscle in my back.
I did it yesterday. Oh, God. Yeah, it's down there.
It's down there, dude.
Dig deeper. It's from the knees.
Hell, I ain't even hit bottom.
That's what I'm
You
saying.
gotta go deeper then.
Hopefully that's not what she said.
Shut up.
You bottoming out? That's what you want to hear.
First time you've heard that, huh?
Huh?
That's the first time you've heard that, huh?
Today?
Today. Ah, there you go.
No go?
No. Well, you probably the only one that's got the arm forward.
Where did you pull your foot out of? Right there?
Yeah.
Put your foot back down there. Grab the with your toe.
Yeah, right down there.
Found it.
You got it? When I stepped off and I went all the way past my knee, I was like, oh yeah, that's deep. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be leaning to the right all day. I can feel it now.
I don't know what's more stuck, the bike or the Croc.
The Croc. No doubt the Croc. We might need to hook a winch to it.
The Croc?
Yeah.
Get that tow table.
That'll be good for YouTube. Pulling off the Croc.
We might need to put the winch to the Croc.
Almost got it.
It's coming.